I'm going to show you how to turn a plain menu like this into this high-end menu in Canva, completely for free. But stick around, because I'm also going to share the exact font sizes you need so your customers can actually read your menu from across the room, and how to display it on your smart TV. By the way, my name is Sally. Let's jump right into the magic. First, let's choose videos. The canvas size of the presentation option is 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. No matter the size of your TVs, if your TV or display is mounted wide, choose 1920 by 1080. If it's standing tall, choose 1080 by 1920. These are the standard HD screen sizes. In this video, we are going to choose horizontal layout. Go to Elements. Go to the Photos section. Let's search for an image. Move to the right to look for the price tab and choose the free filter option. Click on the image to place it. Double-click on the image to adjust within the frame. Now let's go to Uploads. Upload files. Drag and drop the image. Avoid replacing any existing image when you do so. Let's remove the background. If you're using Canva paid version, you can remove the background directly in Canva. Otherwise, you can use Adobe Express. Their background remover is free and the link is in the description. Let's edit the image. Click on Shadows under Effects. Adjust the attribute. Let's rotate it. Change the size. Add another image. Drag and drop the image. Let's flip this image. Let's remove the background. And this is the same steps we did. Let's make a shape. Under Basic Shapes, choose the shape. No color. Add a borderline. Now change the color. We will create text box here. Change it to left justified. Change the size. Adjust the line spacing. Let's change the font. Copy and paste. Let's change the font. Let's add another text box. Let's change the font. We will maintain this font size as the minimum for this design. Let me show you the font chart. The recommended minimum font size depends on TV size and viewing distance. This shows an example for a 50-inch TV and 7 feet away from the customers. I've linked a chart below. Download it and display it on your screen to see which size works best. Okay, here I will fast forward the same steps. While I finish this section, here's a quick pro design tip. Reserve your fancy or decorative fonts for small highlights only. Overusing them makes the design feel cluttered, so use them sparingly to create visual interest. Let's change the font. Change it to left justified. Let's change the font. To speed up the process, I will copy and paste the menu info. Since we are going to use the same font, let's copy and paste existing text box. After this, we will add a price. Change it to Right Justified. And let's bold it. You can drag and drop the area to select multiple objects. Copy and paste. Making the rest of the items. Ctrl-V to copy, Ctrl-V to paste. And if you made a mistake, Ctrl-V to undo. Remember, these shortcut keys are your best friends. Now, all done. This panel shows each object happening when exactly. It allows us to layer different elements. The main track at the bottom holds your background image, while the tracks above it allow us to overlay text, shapes, or graphics that move independently. Drag and drop to select the information, the text part. Since there are so many layers going on, I will group the info text part to simplify. Let's group it. You can see they are grouped now, and you can open it to see individual layers here. Let's close it for now. We will make the background track, which is the primary track, 20 seconds long. Let's make it longer by expanding the side of the block. Drag and drop this side until it reaches to the desired duration. Let's make each image 9.4 seconds long. As you do it, you can see the duration of the block changes. Bring it to the back of the image. We will make this image appear through the whole length of the video, so make it a little bit shorter than the whole video length. For the info text part, it should appear the whole time, so we will extend it to the whole length. Bring it to the back of the text. Now you see it is in front of the text. Bring it to the back of the image. Even if they are all grouped, you can edit each part. Click on the object you want to modify, then edit it. If you prefer them ungrouped, you can ungroup them, then edit it. Let's add an image. Drag and drop the image. Let's remove the background. I'm going to overlap this image with the other image to view both of the images so I know what size it should be. Let's rotate it. Let's edit the image. Click on Shadows under Effects. Adjust the attribute. Change the size. Move it to the same layer as the other one. Extend the timing. We will not place any image at the end of the video. Let's only leave the text and background. I will explain why later. Now, let's make them animated. You can choose different animations here. We will choose this animation. Both means that there will be animation at the start and the end of the block. On enter means at the start of the block. On exit means at the end of the block. We will choose both. We will do the same for this image. We will choose this animation. We will choose both. All done. Now let's preview it. It is looking great. Let's rename it to Screen. There is also part 1 for this design. You can check it out in the card at the top. Go to File, then click on Move. Look under All and under your projects. Here, create a new folder. Let's name it Your Restaurant Name. Let me close this to show you how to open it for next time. Under Projects, you will see the folder you created here. Now let's export it. Go to Share and click on Download. Now under the drop-down menu, choose the MP4 video option. If you have Canva Pro, you can save it in the higher resolution, but 1080p is recommended when it comes to extend your video length. I explained why you might need to extend your video length in a different video. You can check the card at the top. When you are done, click Download. This is the final design in a video format. It is looking great! Now, where the video ended, it ended with no image. The reason for this is when it's looped, it transitions naturally. Let me replay to show you what I mean. You see, it transitions naturally. Now, save the PNG image files you downloaded onto a USB stick and plug it into your smart TV. If your menu design is vertical, rotate the image or video by 90 degrees. Every TV is a little different, but you should be able to find a setting that lets you view media files from a USB. That's all for today, everyone. Thank you for staying with me. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. If you want to skip the setup, you can grab the editable template from my store. The link is in the description. I'll see you again soon.